like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DVCraft. I am Disha and today we are going to make paper crown. So let's get started. First we will take a paper and fold it in half. Open it and fold it in triangle like this way. Now fold this part till this line and fold it again, and it will look like this way. Now I will take a pencil and draw your one line. You have to draw a line where this end, like this way. We have to make 6 more like this way only. Now let's take one, and here I take a glue stick. Take one of the triangle and we have to stick it like this way, that this line will come perfectly here on this line, like this way. Now let's stick it. Now let it dry. Now it has been dried up. Now we have to do it like this way and stick it here. Let's stick it. And a beautiful crown is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.